Hello and welcome to the Cabinet of Creations, where you will find horror, beauty and the perfectly imperfect. I wanted to do a little dedicated video with something that I was gifted and I'm very, very grateful. It's a wax melt with my logo on it. I've never actually had one of these before, and this is the wax that comes with it, lots of different colours. I've realised that I need 3 of these little pods inside to cover the size stamp that I have. Give it a helpful little stir just to help it melt that little bit more quicker at the end, because I want to see what it looks like. Then press the stamp in just for, well, as long as this is here, so seconds. Ta-da! Oh. So anyone that buys anything from my Cabinet of Creations Etsy shop or through Facebook or anything like that will receive a certificate, and it's now got this official wax stamp on it. So thank you so much, Shannon, for this lovely gift. Love it. Also known as Dolicious_NZ. Shh, quick sneak peek of my next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!